Ladies and gentlemen, just keep in mind that this is financial education and not financial advice. What do I mean by that? I'm showing you how to do certain things, but just because I'm showing you this does not mean that I'm advising it. So today's video, we're going to talk about how to invest in the world. See, a lot of times people talk about how to invest into an index, S&P 500, or the Dow Jones or the NASDAQ. Those are big indexes for America. So some people are saying, hey, what about Europe? What about Asia? How can I invest? How can I buy an index fund that tracks the entire world? And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and give you 3 options in this video. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned in to the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, coming from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So yes, you heard about that correctly. How to invest into the world. Some people say, "Hey, United States, it may, United States may fall into something, and I want to be able to invest into the world." Now, when you invest into the world, you got to keep in mind when it comes down to capitalization, the top 3 big boys are going to be America. You guessed it. It's going to be America, followed by China, followed by London. So when you purchase a lot of these total world index funds, you're going to have a lot of American stocks in them. So I just want to kind of give you that caveat as well. But that's one of the good things. It makes you even broader. So if something goes bad in the United States, maybe China is doing well or Japan is doing well, you can invest into the total world. Now, the downside to this, some people will say, hey, look, why won't I invest into the S&P 500? Those are the top 500 companies in America. Yes, they're based in America, but guess what? If you're one of the top 500 in America, you're going to be one of the top 500 in the world, possibly. You're already global. You're already international. But anyway, this video is to show you exactly what they are. So the first one we're going to pull up is called VT, right? VT is called the Vanguard Total World Stock Market Index Fund. So you can read down here about it a little bit. This is for $60 for people that are international and around the world, and for here in America. It'll tell you right here, this pretty much, it goes to track the global cap index, So that's one. Here's the second one. And the second one is VTW8X. This is also a Vanguard Total World Index Fund Admiral, right? So what this does is it's $21, and its expense ratio is a little bit lower, but you can look at it here. You can read about it as well. And it's going to look to, I'm sorry if I'm highlighting the wrong thing there. It's going to look to, it's a mutual fund, but it's going to track the performance of the total globe and the total market, looking around the globe. And here's the third one. This one is $122, and it does pretty much the exact same thing. So the first one was Victor Tango, which is VT. It's a stock symbol. The second one I showed you was VTW8X. That's Victor Tango Whiskey Alpha X-Ray. That's the second one that I showed. That was like $21. And this one that I'm showing you, the stock symbol is VTWIX, which is Victor Tango Whiskey India X-Ray. All right. So those are total market global index funds, where they're index funds that are tracking the globe. You heard this on the latest show by Lars Kroger. He was coming out of the UK, and he said that he felt American investors only focus in America, that it should look around the globe. This is one of the ways you can invest in an index fund that tracks the entire globe. But anyway, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, that's going to conclude this video. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe. Peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.